At 9 o'clock on the evening of the 8th day of the 8th month of the year 1839, 8 earnest young men, all students at Miami University, held the first meeting of Beta Theta Pi in the hall of the Union Literary Society, an upper room in the old college building known as Old Main. The 8 founders, in the order in which their names appear in the minutes, were John Riley Knox, 1839, Samuel Taylor Marshall, 1840, David Linton, 1839, James George Smith, 1840, Charles Henry Hardin, 1841, John Holt Duncan, 1840, Michael Clarkson Ryan, 1839, Thomas Boston Gordon, 1840, of ever-honored memory.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they'd just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.